you're on.
Good morning, everyone. It is day 2. We are working on our letters today. We're traveling around the world. Our first stop is Australia. If you were with me yesterday, we made our passports. Beautiful picture, right? That's all my hair.
So cute.
Yep, so we have a couple of facts. And then, of course, we got our stamp. Okay.
Oh, that's cute.
So then the next country we visit will be the next 2 pages. So you should have done that yesterday. We also learned that this baby kangaroo, do you know what it's called, Miss Stacy?
A joey.
It is a joey.
So cute.
Bye. I'm coming back.
I'm so glad we don't do that as humans.
They're so cute. Marsupials. They got the pouches. All right. So that was our cute craft yesterday. Today, Australia. Look up here. On all of our countries, all of our letters, we will have the map outline and the flag. Okay, so that's just so you can get used to recognizing what it looks like. All right, same as before. Let's stretch those hands out. Get them ready. We are going to work on our A. We're going to start at the bottom. We are going to shoot all the way up. We're going to shoot all the way down. And then we're going to give it a little cross. Okay, let's try that again. Start at the bottom. Go up. Go down. Give it a little cross. All right. Look at your A, your lowercase a. There's a circle in there. There is a C in there. There is an O in there. Look at that shape, okay? So we can draw a line down and we can loop it around like our C, okay? So if I cover that up, do you see the C?
I see the C.
You see the C, okay? All right, so straight line down and loop it around. Get your markers out.
Blake and Adrian say good morning.
Good morning, Blake. Good morning, Adrian. Thanks for joining us. All right, so we are working on the A. Look at that. A is for Australia. Boop, boop. Fancy way of making an A. Fancy way. You see that down there?
Yeah, a lot of fonts do that.
Yeah, almost, that looks silly. Almost all of them on the computer have that font.
Yeah.
So you guys need to be able to recognize that that is an A as well. All right, get your marker, start at the bottom and go whoop, all the way up, whoop, all the way down. And give it a cross.
I like your noises you make.
Whoop, whoop. Give it a cross. All right, your lowercase a, draw it down, circle it around like a C. Draw it down, circle it around like a C. If you have been getting our weekly kits, you should have Play-Doh. So you could easily erase this and roll out your Play-Doh and use Play-Doh to go over your letters as well.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll do that today in class.
Yeah.
They love Play-Doh.
Another thing, let's try this. See if you can make some dots all the way down, just for the shape. Okay, and then give your little dot right there in the middle. All right, let's do this one. Do you see where I'm going with this, Miss Stacy? All right, looks like polka dots. Ah, but it serves a purpose. Now we're gonna play connect the dots. So start at your one dot at the bottom, connect them, and then connect them, and then give it a cross. Start at the top, connect your dots, Just a little different. Always fun. Oh, I almost forgot. We need some A words. Here's one right there. I don't even have to draw it. You see that?
Yep.
That's an apple.
Cute little apple.
Apple. Oh, All right, I'm thinking of one, and it's not gonna look the same, but you know. Let's see. This is looking more like a bear, but.
What is that? An ape?
An ape!
I only guessed because of the A.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, that's not even close.
Oh, my ape is cute.
What about an ant?
Oh, let's see if I can draw an ant. Let's see. 2, 3.
An arrow?
There's my ant.
It's cute.
All right. So we have ant. Blake. Adrian. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
What are some more A words? Of course, Miss Stacy already said arrow. Okay. Anything you can draw, or if you can write them, go ahead and write them on your board. All right. Flip it over. All right, so we are in Australia. So these are some things that you will see. We have our koala. We have some boomerangs. You throw a boomerang and it's supposed to come back. I've never had very good luck at having it come back, but you have to be a professional for that. Australian flag. Bird. Yep.
Kookaburra.
Kookaburra.
It only took me 15 minutes yesterday to say it.
It's fun to say. Kookaburra. Sydney Opera House. Okay, this is gonna be one of our projects. Famous landmark. I would love to go there and see an opera one day. And of course, our kangaroos that we've already made. So, the first part of your page is looking at the picture, counting it, and then seeing which number matches up. So,
Am I too close to you?
No, but can they see it? Is it?
I tilted because of the glare.
Oh,
Yeah,
look at you.
sorry.
Fancy.
Yeah.
All right, so we have one koala, right?
One.
We have one. So look over here. We have 1, 2, or 3. Okay, you guys just said it is 1. So we're going to color in our 1. All right. And now let's look at the boomerangs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now look at your numbers. We have a choice of 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you're just gonna color it in. Our flags, 1, 2. And then we have our choices, 2, 3, and 4.
I like their flag. It's pretty.
It is pretty.
Adrian starts with A.
Adrian does start with A. Very good. Yes, of course. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 4, 5, and 6. So we'll color in our 5. All right. 1, 2, 3. And we have 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3. Color in our 3. Parents, if you want and they're not recognizing the numbers yet, you can go on the outside and put the dots like the dice so that they start recognizing and associating the number to how many.
Oh, that's a good idea.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kangaroos, and we have 4, 5, and 6. All right. Last but not least, we have our koala. This is symmetry. We are going to try to draw the other half of this koala. All right. So, I'm going to start with this piece right here, just because it seems fairly easy to make a little arch and hook it around.
Oh, good job.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then I'm going to work my way up. Okay. So if you look, this eye is just right off of the center of the arch. All right, so let's go over here, pretend that we're drawing a line, and let's put our eye, let's see, about a fingertip away. We'll draw our eye about here. Okay, he's a little crooked.
It's funny.
And then we have this arch right here. So we have to carry it down a little like that. And then we gotta kick it back up to make his ear. So let's try to go up and around and down. And then we have this last little curve. So I'll put them together. That's not too bad.
It's amazing that you're doing it and upside down.
I have major skills, Stacy.
Yeah.
Look at how cute. He doesn't look too bad. His eyeball's a little lopsided. Let's see. Is that a little better? Nope, he still needs
Still a little too high.
a little too high.
It's all right.
Let's go down here.
Yeah.
There we
yeah.
go. So cute. So cute. All right, you guys. That is our A for Australia. I love it. All right, tomorrow we are going to the Great Barrier Reef, one that I want to see so bad. Don't forget, our seat has fallen down. China is on sale for our weekly people. So make sure you get your orders in. Super fun. I cannot wait. I've really had a good time with all the countries. So get your orders in. All right, you guys. I will see you tomorrow morning at 9:15. Have a fantastic day. Bye.